We're Charlie and Kelly, and we are searching for our forever home. This week, we're off to Cornwall, the home of the Cornish pasty and the great beaches of Britain. We're in Bude, on the north coast of Cornwall, and we're here specifically because we want to go visit the outdoor pool. Now, we were meant to go for a cold plunge, but I forgot my swimsuit, I think. Did you bring yours, Charles?
I did not, Angel, but we're going to go nude.
Yes!
We go nude in Bude.
Let's go!
We're at Mayor Cliff in Cornwall, or Cerno, as it's said in the local Cornish language. This is a cool bit of cliff next to the sea, where we can find Bronze Age burial mounds along the way, which we'll try and find for you guys. And there's also a World War II pillbox that was created by the American Rangers in preparation for D-Day. Pillbox. Hi everyone, and welcome to another botany lesson with Charles. These you have before you are called buttercups. And the nice thing about buttercups is if you have one like this, you hold it under your chin like this and it reflects yellow, you like butter. Cute. Okay gang, we've just done our walk up these hills and hillocks. Did we see mounds from the Bronze Age? Who is to know? But it was a beautiful walk on a beautiful day on a beautiful coast in Cornwall.
Now, if there is a weird and wonderful museum to be had, Charlie and I are there with bells on. The Witchcraft Museum in Boscastle did not disappoint. It is day 2 of our Cornwall adventures, and today Charlie is taking me for a bike ride. I'm not a particularly good bike rider. I do fall off frequently, so I'm not fully excited about it. I'm sure once I'm on the bike, it'll all be fine. Charles, tell everybody where we're going.
We're going to a place called Wadebridge to go and rent bikes and go and cycle the Camel Trail. And then we're going to go to Padstow and go to a place called Chuffs.
Yes.
Yeah.
What's Chuffs? A baker's.
Yeah,
it's a baker's, and we're going to have a Cornish pasty.
Pasties.
Yes.
Yes.
So come along for today's adventure.
everybody, we're just about to tackle a mountain. This is also known as Cornwall's Mount Everest. So we're fully prepared, head to toe in all of our hiking gear. We're going to take on the Crackington Walk. It's going to be heavy duty, but we're going to make it to the top. You'll see, we'll plant our flag on the peak of Mount Crackington. This is the peak. We're at the peak right now, as you can see.
We've walked for 35 seconds.
Yes, and we're already...
We've taken 9 steps.
Well, I'm not conditioned for this yet. Comfort.
This week, because we're in Cornwall, and this is where Charlie's family lives, I've put all trust in Charles to set up amazing activities that we can have, and luckily we've had the most amazing weather. Now, he gets 1,000,000 out of 10 for views and incredible activities. He gets 1 out of 10 for preparation and for advising me on what to wear and where we're going, because today looks like we're climbing quite the mountain and I'm wearing a pair of very inappropriate shoes and an outfit that you would go to lunch in. So let's see how this fares.
Can we buy that house over there?
Which one?
What?
Point to the one.
One of the big ones on the hill, please.
He wants one of these ones.
Yeah.
There. Okay.
Hello everybody, this is chapter 3 of Botany with Charles, as we've just stumbled upon the digitalis, aka the foxglove, which can and has traditionally been made into medicines, but most importantly, poisons. I think it causes heart attack if it is consumed. So stay away from this beautiful, beautiful petals of death.
Okay, we are on the downward trajectory of the walk. It was a there and back walk. So we've done quite a lot of climbing and now we're doing a lot of descent. Sorry for not looking, I'm looking at my feet because I might fall off the cliff edge. Charlie, have you found this walk?
It's been magical. Next time, join us as we explore the wonders of Menorca.